Hey guys, so if you are wondering where to invest your money during war times just like this, during our Ukraine and Russian conflict, I think you found the right video. Let's go through the stock market, what actually happened, what my forecast for the future is, and then I'll talk about like 3 stocks where it might be a good time to place and invest your money right now. These stocks are mostly defense and energy stocks, so make sure to watch till the end of the video and we will go through them, what they do, and whether you should still invest money into those stocks. So over here we can see Nasdaq 100 index. So what actually happened? So as you know, the conflict between Russia and Ukraine has been going on for almost like 2 weeks, week and a half, let's say. Uh, Over here where the big red candle is, that's where we saw quite some sell-off in Nasdaq 100 index. It was just right before the official war was announced by Russia. This is what actually happened the next day, so we can see that there was a huge sell-off towards 13,000 support line, and then it like bounced back quite sharply. As you know, it usually during like the war times, stock market does not fall for a very long time. Usually it recovers like within 3 weeks. So within like 3 weeks, we usually see the bottom of the sell-off. What I expect to happen right now, maybe we can see a bigger sell-off towards like 30 RSI line, just like over here. So it would be around like 13,000 level, and then I think like the stocks will definitely recover. We can see that Nasdaq has been selling off for quite some time, and it was mostly because interest rates are gonna go up in March. Also this coming week, we'll see many inflation reports being announced, so it might be a choppy week again. I still own my SOXL and TQQ shares in the stock market because I expect it to go higher very soon. What stocks to buy during war times? So the best ones are usually like energy stocks because energy prices go higher during war times. The supply is usually lower, and that's why the prices are like pushed higher. We can see that it already happened for oil and natural gas. But this company is actually not an energy company, it's more like a technological and defense company, Lockheed Martin. So we can see that actually it's the same period of chart as the previous Nasdaq index. So we can see when Nasdaq was falling, this was actually going higher. So we can see that it actually gained like 10% in a very short period because it's defense stock, Lockheed Martin LMT. So this might be a pretty good buy. Also in the future, probably we'll not see like any big sell-offs, even though that we can see over here what happened here, but that was probably because of the earnings and earnings season. So we should just expect this to go higher and higher, and hopefully it can make us some money. So what do they actually do, Lockheed Martin? So Lockheed Martin is a defense and technological company. You can see that they basically make technologies, and they make the fighter jets, helicopters, satellites, and I don't know what else. They are definitely like a war defense company, as you can see on their website over here. They are not even trying to hide it. So yeah, this might be definitely a pretty good buy, I guess. Lockheed Martin. It's definitely a great company that I already heard about in the past. Another stock that might be worth buying is Northrop Grumman. It's basically the same company as Lockheed Martin. Even the chart is almost exactly the same, as you can see over here. So when the war broke out, we can see that it started gaining in price. It gained even more than Lockheed Martin. There was also some sell-off during November for some reason, maybe also probably because of the earnings, or maybe because the war in other countries have stopped, so this might be also a pretty good buy. As you can see, based on their website, they are not promoting themselves as let's say like war defense company, but when you go over here you can see that they also produce like fighter stealth jets and other stuff for basically for defense, for drones and all that cool warfare stuff and warfare systems. So this might also be worth checking out. The last stock worth buying might be Exxon Mobile. It's let's say in sector energy, so they also like sell gas and all this stuff for cars. So as you can see, they've been going up for some time, also because the oil prices and natural gas prices are just pushing higher. This will just also make more money. Their profits will be bigger, so the stock will be just going up and up and up as always. Based on their website, you can see that they are trying to promote themselves as low energy and I don't know what energy company and how efficient they are and sustainable, but basically they are just making the really bad stuff for the environment. And so as you can see, this is one of their gas stations over here. Definitely something you have seen before. So let's see like what happens in the future. I hope like there will be some truce and ceasefire in a very short term, and hopefully also Nasdaq and stocks, as you can see over here, will recover very soon. So the Nasdaq, since like topping out, it has already dropped around 20%. We are already entering or are already in bear market, but I hope that we will recover very soon to 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 see another gains, because usually the stock market does not fall for a very long time during like war times. So hopefully like this is the bottom, and let's see what happens in the future, and hope we also make some money together. So okay, thank you for watching, guys. Hope it was at least a little bit helpful, and have a nice week, and talk to you later.